You still got your boombox? Play something and turn it way up.
When you wake up in the morning, remember what you always need. A certain sunshine in your heart, and some success is guaranteed. You may not have all that you wanted, but you have love for certain dreams. Hope means luck to you and others, cause luck is usually so it seems. Life is a muscle and constant struggle. And you stay positive and things will be sorted out.